Okay, we're in the salon today, and I want to ask you, are you guilty of buying tons of Pat Gel palettes? So I have so many Pat Gel palettes. They're filling up the drawer. It's definitely becoming a problem. So broke out the what? 3D printer and made this. So let's let's figure out what it is. Okay, so this is of course a obsessive amount of pat gels, and they're all so beautiful, but the problem is they're everywhere. I have so many in so many different drawers, and we have to put them somewhere. So let me look, because this one fits. We'll check and see. These with the round. Okay, so this right here is it's got a magnet, but this right here is going to hold all of your pat gels. And you see I put one in there already. It's 2 layers high. This little bowl right here is actually a brush rest, so you can work right out of here. What I'm also going to do is put a piece of vinyl, like a piece of vinyl in here, and then I think I'll use this part as a mixing palette. So in order to get everything in there, you're going to take off the little side arm that locks in place with a magnet. And it also has these little grooves here. Okay, so I'm speeding this part up because honestly what took the longest time was actually getting them out of the holders, just because like they've been in there for a long time. But it fits so many different shapes. I don't want to say shapes. I want to say the pet gels. Some of them are like a octagon shape, like a long octagon, but some of them are like a oval type rectangle. All of those ones will fit in here. And like I said, see, the most difficult part was getting them out. Now, for my brand new gels that I haven't popped into their little holder, it's going to be way easier. I actually have another one that I just printed, and I'll show myself filling that one as well. That one comes in a bit. So if it's not immediately after this video, you'll see it. I end up using my nail art pliers to get the rest of them out. I'm going to put the link to the pattern. It's also going to have the dimensions and what I printed it on. When you get the pattern, and I'll give you a guide, and the guide's going to show how fast to print it, because I did have it printed by like 2 different guys, and I like it printed slower, and I do love it with the satin PLA filament over just having a regular filament, just because it looks like way cooler, but you can't print it too fast. So this is me adding, like I got all of them in there, and I'm going to add the little vinyl rectangle, and I just cut it with my, I have a silhouette cutter, but you can use a Cricut cutter, and I'm just going to give you the dimensions and everything, and you can put it right there and then put it in there. It made for an easy palette to use on my clients, and honestly, I really, really love this. So if you want to get this holder and 3D print your own, or even get your own 3D printed, or your boyfriend, or you're going to do it, whatever, just click below. I'll put the link to it with the instructions on how to print it, and I'll also put where to get the magnets from as well. Thank you, of course, for watching my videos. And if I come up with anything else, I'll be sure to let you know. And you know what? The next thing is I do have another one coming in, and I printed that one in a rainbow filament. So whenever that one comes in, I am going to do that video, and I will post it literally the same day. Right? Because why not? All right, guys. Thanks for joining. Make sure you do a lot of fun nail art this week, and appreciate you. Bye.